2001 Stratus 2.4. Yeah, making these marks, putting them on the belt, transferring it to the new belt, makes it so much easier. Even back there, you don't have to fight with things and then stretch it over. I even put the idler pulley in after it. It made it so much easier. And you know, same thing with the crank, marking it like that. Being sure to put forward, and it's just this like I've said before, the timing marks on this motor stink at best. So I'll finish it up, but you do that before you start doing it, and it makes it so much easier.